start with chapter number 5, Duty of a Friend. Soham and Rahul were neighbors. They were good friends too. Soham's father was a cloth merchant और जो उसकी mother थी वो क्या थी, housewife. Rahul's parents were both working and his father was an inspector. उसकी जो mother थी वो bank employee थी. And so Rahul had remained alone during the daytime. वो घर पे रहता था and waited for the parents to come. Soham often used to go to Rahul's house. They both played together. Soham knew everything about Rahul's house. Rahul's father had a pistol which he kept in a drawer or table in the bedroom. Both the friends often played the game of thief and police in the house. One day when Rahul was alone, some thieves entered the house. With chor aaye, so Rahul hid himself under the bed. At the moment, Soham was going to the market to buy some. When he was passing by Rahul's house, he heard some noise coming from the house. He peeped in through a window and saw that two armed thieves inside the room were stealing valuables. वो अगर valuables सबको steal करते चुरा रहे. Soham intelligently entered the house through the back door and reached the bedroom. He entered the room silently और उसने क्या pick up करा pistol from the drawer. Seeing Soham, Rahul got his courage back and came out under the bed. He was stammering out of fear. Soham pacified him and said, "Don't be afraid of thieves. Go outside by the back door and inform the police. By the time police comes, I will not allow these thieves to go. So far I am here, no one would harm you. Go fast and do not waste the time." वो कहता है जल्दी से जाओ, अपना time waste मत करो. Hearing Soham and seeing this boldness, Rahul stand up fastly and quickly rushed to the inform to बहुत जल्दी से खड़ा होता है, भागे भागे जाता है पुलिस को inform करने के. Soham took the position behind the door. Then he aimed at the thieves and fired the pistol. The thieves were taken aback immediately and took their position. One of them cried, "Oh boy, pistol is no meant for childhood. Give it to us." Soham replied, "I know how to fire the pistol. I am trained." And then she carried, "Understood. Now both of you will be caught by the police and be fired at." One of the bullets hit the thief's foot. It made them furious and they fired the retaliation. In exchange of bullets, a bullet hit Soham in his hand, but he continued to fire. उसके हाथ में लगी थी, उसके बाद भी वो फायर कर रहा था. Soon his bullets came to an end, but he kept on aiming at the thieves to fool them as if the pistol was loaded. वो उनको fool कर रहा था, उनको चकमा चगाना चाह रहा था कि ऐसा दिखा चाहता था कि जो पिस्टल है वो loaded है. In the meantime, the police reached there. Both the thieves were caught red-handed. Rahul also informed his father, so he came here. He quickly picked up Soham and took him to the hospital. वो सोहम को उठा के फटाफट से हॉस्पिटल ले जाते हैं कार में अपने. Soham was unconscious, so he took him to emergency ward and requested to doctor to quickly make him courageous. कि जल्दी से इसको हॉस्पिटल ले जाते हैं. Doctor operated upon Soham and bullet was taken out. After some time, Soham regained consciousness. Rahul quickly hugged him and said, "Dear, how can I repay your debt? If you both had not been there, I would have been killed." With these words, Rahul began crying. Soham replied, "Why are you weeping? कि तुम क्यों रो रहे हो? You are my best friend and it was my duty to protect you." और जो सोहम के फादर थे वो अपने सन को प्रेस कर. ठीक है. मॉरल क्या है? Always be ready to help your friends because friend in need is friend indeed. Hope you understood the chapter. That's all for today. Thank you.